GTD did something crazy. Fly out here, man. GTD done did something ridiculous. She ain't had
on me. Promise that you never be.
It's your boy, T-Lite. Oh yeah. Back, baby. You know I'm just gonna get straight to the point, man. All that other stuff is done for. That's over with. You know what I'm saying? But shout out to the Light crew, baby. My fellow Likens. What is a Liken? Werewolf. My fellow Likens, baby. Shout out to y'all, baby. We here. But yeah, man. GTD did something crazy. GTD done did something ridiculous. She ain't had the rims for not even a month. How long you had them for, GT?
Just a little over a month.
She had them for a little over a month. And she basically just said, I don't even care no
I don't appreciate you putting me on the spot like that.
Even care no more. And said, I'm going to Dunkin' Donuts. Dunkin' Donuts, right?
Yeah.
What kind of drink did you get?
Large frozen pumpkin spice.
She got a large frozen pumpkin spice, and she got her pumpkin spice work too. I'm trying to tell you, she got exactly what she wanted for that pumpkin spice.
Let me tell you, it was not worth it. It didn't even taste the same. I wish I could rewind the time and just come straight home.
It was sour, wasn't it?
It wasn't sour. It tasted a little medicine. It just wasn't right.
It didn't hit the same when you.
I tell you, if I could redo and keep going, I would.
But yeah, GTD done made a mess of things, a mockery of her rims. It just basically said, I don't care no more. All for a drink, coffee drink. I'm gonna go ahead and get straight to the point. If you want to come on, right, see GTD. This is what she did, y'all. Look at this. Oh, look at that rash. We call that curb rash. What you hit? The curb?
The curb.
Right
got
by
scraped up right beside the little box to place your order.
Damn, the order box got you?
Yep.
She tried to get close to the order box and got order boxed. Right here. Straight got her, you know. That's crazy too. But don't worry, Big Bro's here to save the day. Hopefully we got a little bit of little touch-up paint left. I ain't used this in a while.
What is it?
Gray, black. It's a little gooey. Let me see. Put it. Is that the same color? Look like it's black. Let me see.
So you don't even know what color it is?
I got two colors. This is black. You can clear as day see this. That's black. It's black. Hold on.
Why don't you put it on your flip flop? Just on a little piece of it. Yeah. Black. Okay. Yeah, that's black. Okay.
Damn, just messed up my shoes, man. I paid.
Don't even lie. I know where I seen those.
Man, I was finna throw a cold lie out, man. I got these from, what's that place where you can get half off of shoes from? Shoe Carnival. I got these bad boys for $20. $20 for those who are out of the loop. $20? What's that? $20. But we gonna go ahead and throw this touch up on there and see if we can't get it right. Let's hold on. Let's get the dirt off this bad boy. Make sure they clean off real good, because we don't want to, you know what I'm saying, we don't want to fool around. She hit the car wash and it come right on off. This is just temporary. This ain't, you know what I'm saying? This is just temporary. Does that look the same? Yep.
Oh, that look good.
I bet it do look good, considering the fact you made a mess. We could take these rims back to the people like, man, we didn't even notice this. We just noticed that you gave us a defective rim. Right now we just gonna put a thin coat over it. Just to, you know. And then we gonna come back and go over it again. But yeah, man, if y'all ever put curb rash or rims and you need somebody to hook you up, don't call me. Call somebody that know what they talking about, but don't call me. Because I can't do nothing for you, because I may not live where you live at. But what I'm saying is, you get some touch-up paint. You know, this heat-resistant touch-up paint, too. You know how I know it is? Because I used to deliver washers and dryers. And this is what this is, touch-up paint for your washer and dryer. They come in all colors, but you can go to any paint shop and they give you a touch-up paint to match your color of your rims. But right now we gotta work with what we gotta work with. And I'm trying to get her right, you know what I'm saying, make these bad boys look brand new, because we might sell these to y'all. Y'all ain't even gonna know. I'm petty like that. You can get this. It's looking good already though, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody gonna be able to tell though, you know. Only one gonna be able to tell is D, because she know what the shit is. But once I touch this up real good, now like I said, this ain't real touch-up paint, so sometimes I'm gonna have to go back over this every few months. Every few months you gotta go back over it. Because I used to have black rims on my Magnum, or black insert, the inner part of this right here was black. I used to have to touch them up all the time. You know what I'm saying? Because either way, if you got some black rims, you're going to get like little rock chips anyway. Eventually, you're going to get some rock chips. Man, I'm out here sweating like I was in really a slave. I can say that because I'm black. Nobody get offended. It's looking good. What you think, G?
Well, you know I can see it, so.
I'm saying, but you can't tell.
Yeah, towards the bottom, I still can tell.
Towards the bottom?
Or maybe it's just a glare.
I'm die hard about mine. You see how I'm on my elbows and shit? I'm real about this shit. But like I said, don't call me, man, because I can't help you out. But I can help my sis out, get it right. See how it's smoothing over it a little bit? Man, I ain't used this paint in a while. This shit is thick as hell. Plus, you want to cover over that curb rash anyway. That shit could rust. Damn, why it's gotta be so hot out here?
It is so hot.
And you got this motherfucker parked directly in the sun too. Yeah. It's already looking good though. But like I said, man, if you ever curb rash your rims, if you ain't got the money to go pay for them to get what they do, GT, sand them and shit.
Yeah, sand them. Put some putty on there.
Some putty on there, sand them. If your money funny and you can't afford that process, I just told you what to do. Don't act like you don't know what to do when the time comes. I got these bad boys looking good. God damn, I'm cold with it. I am motherfucking cold with it. And that's it. Let's see what we're looking at. Let's see. You can't even motherfucking tell. I can't tell. Can you tell? You know where it's at, but you can't really tell.
No, I can't tell.
Look at the camera. See if the camera can tell. I can't tell. That shit look good. Hit it right on up. Bam. Once the sun hit it up and bake it up real nice, I try to make sure I ain't leave no little spots. You know what I'm saying? The sun bake it up real nice. Bam. We good to go. That motherfucker look good. I'm cold with this shit. Like I said, I'm cold with this shit, you know? But yeah. That was a rim fix tutorial. I do everything, like I said. I fix my own rims. I fix everything. If my motor blow, I'm under the hood fixing that like it's nothing. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I hooked that up for GTD. Like I said, eventually, if you get black rims like these, I don't care what kind of rims you got, rock chips will come. So I'm just showing y'all how to fix it. This is touch-up paint. You can go to any place and get you some touch-up paint, black touch-up paint, whatever color your rim is. You can go get the touch-up paint and you can touch it up yourself. And with that being said, man, I'm gonna get on down. I'm gonna get on up out of here. Take my ugly ass on. But yeah, always stay positive. Always be great. Stay away from suckers. And always tell a friend to subscribe to my channel, like, and comment. At the end of the day, be great. And I'm about this peace. It's your boy, T-Lite. Oh yeah.
That's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.